Hey everyone, my name is Tyler Hutek and I'm a software engineer here at Thermotron. Today we're taking a look at Thermotron's innovative 8800 controller and diving into one of its key features, product temperature control. Let's get started. Product temperature control, or PTC, controls a chamber's environment by utilizing a thermocouple attached to the product under test. The 8800 controller will set the temperature based off readings from the product rather than the air temperature within the chamber. With PTC, test engineers can be sure products are reaching the temperatures required to meet industry standards. That's all we have for today. Just a reminder to check out your 8800 controller manual for more information about product temperature control and everything else your controller has to offer. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at thermotron.com or by calling your local Thermotron sales rep. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.